Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP with an interesting electrical problem we've experienced on this Barina. This car was brought to us with an electrical issue, flat battery. So it came to us, it had 9.8 volts on the battery, vehicle wouldn't start. Again, what we did is we actually put another battery into the vehicle using a memory miner. We didn't want to lose total power supply even though it only had 9 volts in the car. Once we put the new battery in, we had then a good 12.4 volts at the modules through our scan tool, so we can see we're getting good voltage through. We tried clearing all the low voltage codes that were in the vehicle, but again, some of them would not clear. They were being a bit reluctant to clear. Car still wouldn't start. So again, we were starting to think, okay, well, what's wrong here? What else could be the problem? Funnily enough, it wasn't until we eventually disconnected the battery completely. So isolated the car, put the ignition on, put the headlights on, put on the brake to discharge any capacitors, so there's zero voltage in the car, reconnected it, and then rebooted the car up, so to speak, that finally we had some success. So we're then able to start the car. So interesting at time, this was a share that originally was brought to us by Mark Donovan at Donovan Auto Electrics from Yamba, so thanks to Mark for that. But an interesting one, we've had the same instances with some other cars. So some cars don't disconnect the battery, it can cause you problems, some BMWs and Fords classically, but others, in this particular case, we needed to disconnect the battery to get all those voltages back down to zero and then reboot everything back up again. So hopefully that helps you out, but be careful when you are disconnecting or not disconnecting batteries, as some cars and makes and models can be affected by it very, very differently. If you're not sure, maybe hit the TAP website, see if there's any cases on there already regarding that car, that particular make or model in regards to battery disconnections. If you are a member, make sure you are utilising that information that you're a member of. If you're not, go to tap.net.au and join up with the many thousands of other technicians that are sharing information, knowledge and experience, just like the one I've shared with you today. See you next time.